How are drug charges determined to be a misdemeanor or a felony? Attorney George Stein explains. Whether a drug charge is a misdemeanor or a felony depends on which drug is involved. As a general rule, if someone possesses less than an ounce of marijuana, it's considered to be a misdemeanor in Georgia. Determining the level of severity of the drug that the citizen is caught with is normally linked to the Georgia Code that talks about different schedules of drugs. There are Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Schedule 1 drugs are considered to have a high potential for abuse and no accepted medical use. These include heroin, LSD, psilocybin, mushrooms, and MDMA. Oddly enough, marijuana is also considered to be a Schedule 1 drug by the U.S. government, despite many states recognizing it as having medical uses. Georgia treats marijuana possession differently than other Schedule 1 drugs, in that simple possession ounce is just a misdemeanor. However, if someone extracts THC oil from marijuana or processes it in some way, then it can become a dangerous Schedule 1 felony. Schedule 2 drugs are considered to have a high potential for abuse but have some accepted medical use. These drugs include cocaine, amphetamine, opium, morphine, codeine, hydrocodone, oxycodone, ketamine, and fentanyl. Schedule 3 drugs are considered to have less potential for abuse than Schedule 1 and Schedule 2 drugs and have some accepted medical uses, but may lead to moderate or low physical dependence if abused. Schedule 3 drugs include certain stimulants, anabolic steroids, and barbiturates. Schedule 4 drugs are considered to have a low potential for abuse compared to the other schedules and are often drugs such as prescribed Xanax, alazapram, diazepam or Valium, and Ambien. Lastly, Schedule 5 drugs are considered to have a low potential for abuse compared to the other schedules, accepted medical use, and may have some psychological dependence. These are easier to defend and are less serious. They can include syrups, inhalers, sprays, elixirs, and sometimes ointments. Attorney George Stein has created a consistent reputation for solid defense against contested DUI and vehicular homicide cases. He has the experience of more than 200 contested trials with an exceptional success rate.